Yes. Now let us see the second example here. You read the question carefully. Prove by mathematical induction that 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 2n minus 1 raised to 2 is equal to 1 by 3n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 for all n is more than or equal to 1. You see the condition first. For this basic step, we need this condition. The initial value of the n is 1, so that just we are going to show the basic step by using n equal to 1. Yes or no? For n is more than or equal to 1 is there, we are going to show the basic step by using the value of n equal to 1 here. Yes, you see here, prove by mathematical induction that 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus so on 2n minus 1 raised to 2. This is the LHS is equal to RHS we have to show here. Okay, the initial thing we know that S of n is 1 square plus 2 square plus 5 square so on 2n minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 by 3 n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. The given thing we have taken like this, that S of n is equal to given thing. Okay, the basic step is what here. Okay, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS for n equal to 1, because the initial value of the n is 1 he has given here, you see. So that I am going to check the basic step with value n equal to 1. So S of n, no, this is S of n is there. I am going to take n equal to 1, so it is S of 1 is okay. Here 1 square is equal to, here why it is 1 square, why it is 1 square, 2n minus 1 is there. Okay, in place of 1, in place of when you put 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 square, yes or no? Here if you put n equal to 1, that will be 1 square, correct? Huh? Then to the RHS you replace n by 1 here. N by 1 if you replace, that is 1 by 3, 1 into 3. Okay, if you simplify this one, here we will get 1 is equal to 1. Now the LHS is equal to RHS, which is true. Now the S of 1 is true. Now the S of 1 is true. Now the basic step is okay. Now the basic step is okay. Continuing with the second, that is the induction step. Here assume, here just we are going to replace n by k, then we are going to add k by k plus 1 to the LHS. What we have added at LHS, same we are going to add to the RHS, simplifying. Okay, finally we will get the result. Okay, if the result is according to what we want to get, okay, then we are going to say that the given thing is proved by the mathematical induction. Now we are going to say that the given thing is proved by the mathematical induction. Okay, here you see in the second step, assume that S of n is true for n equal to k. Okay, we are assuming that S of n is true for n equal to k. Now the given expression is replaced like this: 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square so on 2k minus 1 whole raised to 2. Just I am going to change the n by k. I am going to replace n by k, nothing. Okay, and 1 by 3 k into k plus 2k minus 1 2k plus 1. Okay, just in this expression I have changed n by k. Okay, after that we are going to add to the RHS k plus 1, okay, and to the RHS also k plus 1, to the LHS also k plus 1. How to add, you see here. Okay, the first example it was different, now it is different here. Now the LHS is having 2k minus 1 whole raised to 2. Now the LHS is having 2k minus 1 whole raised to 2. In place of k, you write k plus 1 and simplify the expression. Okay, what we have added at LHS, no, the same we are going to add to the RHS here. Okay, here you see 2k minus 1 whole raised to 2 is there. Okay, here you see I have simplified here. In the pencil I have written here what 2 is there, 2k plus 1 minus 1. Okay, whole raised to 2 is there. Okay, you simplify this one, 2k plus 2 minus 1. 2k plus 2 minus 1 is 2k plus 1 whole raised to 2. 2k plus 1 whole raised to 2, so that this one we are going to add to LHS, and same we are going to add to RHS to balance the equation, yes or no? Simply don't add directly k plus 1. Okay, in the previous example it is directly, it was there, but now the thing is different here. Okay, how to add here? 2k minus 1 is there in place of k plus 1 you add, simplify this one. Okay, after simplification what we get, no, the same has to be added at the RHS here to balance the equation. Yes, so that we need to add k plus 1 whole square to the RHS and the LHS to balance the equation. Yes, here you see. Okay, 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus and so on, 2k minus 1 whole square plus 2k plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 by 3 k into k. Yes or no? Here to the LHS I have added 2k plus 1 whole square. Okay, here you see this is already there, 1 by 3k into 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1, it was already there. Okay, now I have added 2k plus 1 whole square, 2k plus 1 whole square. Okay, you have to simplify this one, okay, until we get the result like this, how will be the result? You see here, how will be the result here? In 1 by 3 is there. Okay, just you replace here k by k plus 1 here, 1 by 3 k plus 1, 2k plus 1 minus 1 is what here? 2k, 2 into k plus 1 minus 1, 2k plus 2 minus 1 is 2k plus 1 is there. Okay, and here you see 2k, 2 into k plus 1 is 2k plus 2 plus 1 is 2k plus 3. Okay, after simplification we have to get the result 1 by 3 k plus 1, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 3. Okay, this result we have to get after simplification. Here you see. Okay, after simplification we have got what here? 1 by 3 2k plus 1, correct? K plus 1, 2k plus 1 and 2k plus 3. Okay, in this way we come to know that what will be the result after simplification. Okay, you see here, this is a basic mathematics. Okay, simplification of the mathematics. Okay, just to follow the basic mathematics for the simplification. Okay, after in the final step we have to get this result. How we come to know that this will be the result? Just to replace this one by k plus 1. Okay, what we will get? No, the same will be the result. Okay, so that this is the statement, that is the s of k plus 1. Okay, now we are going to conclude the statement of proving by, hence by the mathematical induction, s of n is true for all n is more than or equal to 1. S of n is true for n is more than or equal to 1. N is more than or equal to 1. Yes, some people are putting a message that they were unable to join the session. Yes, okay.